For copyright purposes, I wanted to just let my viewers know that the song being played in this video is entitled Sunrise, and it is by Yaakov Goldman, and I downloaded it from freemusicarchive.org. This song is under an attribution CC BY license. Hello everyone, it's Naomi here, and today I'm here to teach you how to do this twist here. It's a twist slash cornrow, and I love it. My hair actually grows in different lengths, and so I can't actually pull this part of my hair into a ponytail without it sticking up. So it works better for me to just do this. And I actually wear it at night when I do it too, so it helps my hair to stay nice at night. I do put on either a stocking cap, which is just a pantyhose with the legs tied or cut off, put over the head, or else I wear a slip, regular slip that you would wear under a skirt, and I put a ponytail holder to make kind of the end of it into a little tail, and then there's a hat, and I put that on, and that works well as well. And I think I would just show you the supplies that I use to do what I do. I use bobby pins, I use a parting comb, I use a detangling comb, I use a bristle brush, and we don't really need a mirror to look at the front, but I'll use that later just to give you a sneak peek of what I do with the back of my hair, which is not related, but it's just in case you were curious. I will probably do another video in the future on how to do what I've done in the back of my hair. And sometimes I like to add a little headband. So I will explain later what I use these for. So I am going to go and take a break and undo my twist. Actually, before I do that, let me just describe what I do, and I will repeat it again. Basically, if you look at this twist, you see that it's kind of cornrowed to my scalp. And basically, if I could describe the steps, I would say, of course, there's a part here. And when you actually twist it, the steps are over, under, gather more hair, over, under, gather more hair. And you repeat, 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 till you get to the very end. And at that time, you just twist down to as far as to the end as you like. So that being said, I will take a little break and undo my twist, and I will come back and show you how it's done. Okay everyone, I'm back. So this is what my hair looks like after it's been undone from the twist. And I will let you know this ahead of time. With my hair texture and with a lot of African American hair textures, our hair is shrunken when we first wash it, so it doesn't look like this. My hair, I will say, is pretty wavy in the front. I do have different textures in my hair. But anyway, so it isn't really tight curled. It is, but not as tight as you can see in African American hair. So anyway, it doesn't look like this when I come out of the shower. This is the result of it being in twists for about 2 days. So this, just letting you know, this is called stretched hair, and all of my hair is actually stretched right now. Stretched hair, African American hair will generally stretch, as far as I know, for most textures. Disclaimer, I'm not a hairdresser. It will stretch if you keep it in braids or twists for a few days. So, that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take a comb. I don't always comb out my hair, but in this case I'm going to. And this is a kind of a wide tooth comb in a way. There are wider tooth combs, but this one will do the job. Not everyone may recommend combing out dried hair. Like I said, I'm not a hairdresser, but I do that sometimes. A little bit of a tangle here. So actually, I'm going to massage my wrists a little bit because I get wrist pain when I do with that. But anyway, while I'm doing that, I will just say that yes, this style is very convenient. It's very classy. I like it a lot. I think I started doing it about 3 years ago, and I think God just helped me to learn. I had kind of seen people do it before, but I never had anyone teach me. I learned it out of necessity, kind of. I just started doing it, and I found that it worked really well. And in the back of my hair, which I will show you before in another video actually, which I'll merge with this one. My sister will, thank you very much. She's my videographer. Anyway, I wear a bun usually, not usually a bun, either a bun or I roll up my hair in kind of a tornado shape, and then I pull it up and I wear a big fat teeth comb type clip with it, and that's what I do in the back of my hair generally. So my hair is pulled back and that works really well, and so I just do the twist in the front, and I will shortly go ahead and do that twist for you. The twist doesn't take very long. It takes, probably you could do it in less than 2 minutes. 2 minutes, I've never timed myself. So at this time I'm going to go ahead and do the twist. I'm not really going to say anything while I do it. I'll just repeat now my steps, which would be over, under, gather more hair, over, under, repeat, 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 till you get to the very end, and then do a twist as far as you would like to the end. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and twist, and I hope that this makes sense and helps you. By the way, what you see falling that looks like dust, it's probably the dried up hair product that I put in my hair. So now I've gotten to the end, and I am twisting it down. And that's probably about as far as I'll go. Putting a little hair in the trash here. I usually pull at the end right here because it gets a little tighter. So now here's the twist, and I'll just show it to you. And now there's several things you can do with the twist as far as styling it. You could take bobby pins, which I'm not going to do, but you could take your bobby pins, which you know what bobby pins look like, and you could just pin it like so. And it makes that looks pretty nice. You could also take it like this, and you could put your bobby pins and pin them like so. But I'm going to do the third option today, which is to put a headband around like this. Take this part, tuck it in, and it takes a little adjusting sometimes. But basically this is the look you get with the headband, which I think is cute. So yes, that is how I do my twist. And now I'm just going to give you a sneak peek at what I did to the back of my hair today in another video, which will merge with this one, just so that you can see it. And I will probably do another tutorial on how to do that in a couple of weeks. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright everyone, hello, I'm back. So my hair is done, as you can see, but I thought I would just give you a sneak peek at what I had done to the back of my hair. So for your purposes, this is kind of my tornado hair. I call it that because this part is all wound up and the part inside of the clip is also wound up. And I tuck the end in at the top, and I use this big clip and I clamp it. And I also brush the hair very tight with a wet brush, which I can show you in another video. I don't use any gel anymore, it gets smooth. for my purposes, I can't see it that way. So the way I look at my hair after I do it is I hold the mirror like this and I look in the mirror and then I can see. So anyway, the only reason I brought this, if I didn't mention it before, is because I like to use this to make the part right up here. So sorry I didn't mention that until now. So anyway, I hope that this has been helpful to you. Like I said, in a couple weeks I will go ahead and give you my tornado hairdo, and I'll probably show you some other styles that I've learned to do. All the glory goes to God, and I'm thankful for what I've learned. Once again, I'm not a professional hairdresser. I don't claim to be the best at taking care of hair, but I have learned how to make hair look neat, very thick, kinky as they say, curly, natural African American hair, and I'm happy to share what I've learned with others. So God bless you all. Have a great day.